Hello everyone, and welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Hello everyone, and welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you the kitchen tools I recently purchased from TEMU. I heard that TEMU offers very affordable prices, so I decided to explore their offerings. After examining the website and finding what I needed, I placed my order. It took about 15 days for my items to arrive. For those who aren't familiar with TEMU, let me give you a brief overview. If you type TEMU into Google, the website will appear immediately. The site features a user-friendly interface with a simple menu and video demonstrations of the products. You can easily add items to your cart and place an order. However, it's important to note that TEMU has certain conditions. There is a minimum amount required in your cart before your order can be processed. Despite this, the overall shopping experience has been positive. I focused solely on kitchen tools for this shopping spree. Now, let's delve into the details of what has arrived and assess their quality. I've laid out all the items on the table, and there are approximately 20 different products. Without further ado, let's start opening each package and inspecting the contents individually. First up, we have a coffee cup paired with a shell-shaped saucer. The cup is quite large and elegant, featuring a design with a pearl. However, I was expecting to receive a set of 6 cups, but only one arrived. The packaging was quite good, though I would recommend thoroughly checking product descriptions and customer reviews to avoid any surprises. The coffee cup is aesthetically pleasing with a pearl design, both on the cup and the saucer. I performed a stability test to ensure that the cup doesn't tip over easily, and a wider base would enhance stability. I will include links to all the products in the description box below this video so that you can find them easily. Next, I purchased a stainless steel thermos with 3 cups, which seems ideal for camping and picnicking. The thermos is advertised as holding half a liter. However, I'm curious to test this claim. The thermos lacks a traditional lid, and instead, the cup itself serves as the lid. The handle of the cup seems somewhat flimsy, but it should be manageable. After brewing coffee, it remained hot for about 4 hours, but it started cooling down after 6 hours. It appears to hold less than 500 milliliters, around 400 milliliters. I also acquired a food thermos designed to keep meals warm. In my country, similar products often come with 4 compartments, but lack effective heat retention. I chose this one because it allows me to place rice and the main dish in one compartment and soup in the bottom compartment. The interior and exterior are both attractive, and it retains heat quite well. It would be more convenient with a handle for carrying, but a bag can be used instead. Now, let's move on to a pan I purchased for making pancakes or eggs. This pan is versatile and can be used for different types of eggs or other breakfast items. It came with screws for assembling the handle, which I have now attached. Since we're discussing pans, I also got a larger stainless steel pan. This pan is 30 centimeters in diameter and quite deep. It doesn't have a base, but the steel quality appears to be quite good. The depth and size are perfect for searing meat and chicken. The handle is robust, equipped with screws, which is important because weak handles often break. The absence of a base allows for even heating, which improves cooking efficiency. The pan weighs approximately 1.5 kilograms and seems to be a great addition to my kitchen. I also bought an oil spray bottle. I'm interested to see how durable it is. Using a standard spray bottle for oil can be challenging because oil is different from water in terms of viscosity. This spray bottle seems specifically designed for oil. I'll fill it with sunflower oil and test its functionality by spraying it on the pan. It works effectively, although the spray pattern is more oval than round. Let's test the stainless steel pan now. It heats up quickly and has a non-stick surface. I seasoned it slightly to kill any germs. The pan reached the desired temperature in about 1 minute. I purchased a cherry pit remover. This tool is intended for removing pits from olives and cherries. After placing a black olive in the device and pressing it, the pit was easily removed. The tool seems to work as intended. I also bought a pizza tray, although I'm not sure why I only ordered one. It's a non-stick tray that is lightweight and suitable for baking crispy pizzas. Here's a cooking thermometer that I needed for making yogurt. It has precise temperature settings, 44 degrees Celsius for summer and 48 degrees Celsius for winter. The thermometer came with a battery, but there was a piece of paper underneath it to prevent it from working. I removed the paper and it's now functioning correctly. The current temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, and the thermometer reacts quickly to changes in temperature. I ordered a cake cream bag, but it arrived smaller than expected. It's quite tiny, so be cautious about the sizes when ordering. I'll give it to a friend who enjoys baking small cakes, as it should be useful for her. This product is a tea heater designed to hold a kettle on top. I ordered it because it was advertised with a kettle, but it didn't come with one. Make sure to check product details carefully when shopping. The heater itself is versatile and can keep various sizes of kettles, pans, or pots warm. I bought a kitchen scale that can measure up to 10 kilograms, but it's surprisingly small. I already had a 5-kilogram scale at home, which was sufficient. This new scale is much smaller than anticipated. And the display is difficult to see, especially when items are placed on it. It's suitable for weighing only small items. Finally, I purchased 2 spatulas for baking. They come in 2 sizes and seem useful for various baking tasks. There's also a food transport bag that looks well made. I'm considering using it to carry my food containers. I needed a fine strainer for tasks like straining milk or making lemonade. This one is a bit small, and a larger size would have been more practical. I bought 3 sizes of stainless steel strainers, but the holes in this one are quite large. Despite this, it filters well and catches small particles. I also got a serrated meat tenderizer. I expected it to be made entirely of metal, but it has some plastic components. Nonetheless, it should be useful for its intended purpose. Lastly, I received 2 shaped glasses that arrived in perfect condition. Returns can be challenging, so I'm pleased they came undamaged. I also bought 2 kitchen aprons, one black and one brown. They're made from quality fabric and have pockets. I appreciate that they have shoulder straps rather than neck straps, making them more comfortable to wear. You can also cross the straps in the back if needed. Finally, I got a 60-piece cutlery set. The quality is decent, though the dessert spoon is a bit large. The fork, spoon, and knife are sturdy and well made. So, that wraps up my review of the products I purchased from TEMU. Some items met my expectations, while others did not. This review represents my honest opinion. I'm not being paid for it. Feel free to shop wherever you prefer. Until next time, goodbye and see you in future cooking recipes. Take care.